Okay, so guys, today we are going to download WhatsApp on our device. So this is my device, and we are going to download WhatsApp on this device. And as you can see, I do not have any WhatsApp on this device. So guys, let's divert in it. So head straight to this place and try to search for Google Play Store. And as you can see, this is my Play Store. So let's tap on the Play Store app, and as you can see, it's loading over here, and we have all these over here. So guys, what you have to do is to tap in the search apps. Tap on the search apps, then now search or type in WhatsApp. So this is it. As you can see, it's loading. So what you have to do is to tap on it like this on WhatsApp Messenger, then now tap on install. So let's tap on install, and as you can see, it's installing on our device. So guys, let's wait for this to get installed on our device successfully. So now, boom, as you can see, it was around 100%, and now it's installing on our device. So guys, let's wait. We are going to get this installed. So let's wait whilst it's installing on our device. So guys, boom, as you can see, we have our WhatsApp installed successfully on our device. And as you can see, we have uninstall over here. So when you tap on the uninstall, you are going to delete the WhatsApp, but when you tap on the open, you are going to open the WhatsApp. So let's tap on open to open the WhatsApp. So as you can see, we are opening the WhatsApp. So what you have to do is to choose English, then you tap over here to continue registering it. So in this video, I was teaching you guys how to download WhatsApp. So thank you very much. I hope this has been helpful to you. Smash on the like button, and also don't forget to tap on the subscribe button for more content like this. And also then just type on the subscribe button just for typing sake, bro. But you have to tap on the subscribe button and the notification bell. You have to turn it on, and I'll be happy if you do that. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.